Question number 1. Notre Dame Cathedral, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? Option A. India. Option B. France. Option C. Russia. Option D. United Kingdom. Correct answer. Option B. France. Explanation. French president praised over 1,000 craftspeople who rebuilt Notre Dame Cathedral after a devastating fire in 2019. Notre Dame is a famous Gothic cathedral located in Paris, France. It is known for its size, age, and architectural features. Its construction began in 1163 and continued throughout the Gothic period, completed by 1250. It was the site of significant events, including Napoleon's coronation and royal weddings. A fire on 15 April 2019 severely damaged the roof and spire. The cathedral is a United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization World Heritage Site, showcasing naturalistic sculptures and stained glass windows. Question number 2. Atmanirbhar Clean Plant Program is primarily related to which sector? Option A. Animal husbandry. Option B. Aquaculture. Option C. Horticulture. Option D. Forestry. Correct answer. Option C. Horticulture. Explanation. India and Asian Development Bank signed a $98 million loan to boost access to disease-free planting materials for horticulture farmers under the Atmanirbhar Clean Plant Program. The Atmanirbhar Clean Plant Program is related to horticulture and aims to provide farmers with access to high-quality, virus-free planting material. It includes 9 advanced clean plant centers with diagnostic and tissue culture labs and a robust certification system for accountability and traceability. It ensures affordable access, engages women farmers, and develops region-specific plant varieties. It is implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture through National Horticulture Board and the Indian Council of Agricultural Research. It aims to strengthen India's global fruit market position. Question number 3. Which ministry has designated snakebite cases and deaths as a notifiable disease? Option A. Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Option B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Option C. Ministry of Home Affairs. Option D. Ministry of Science and Technology. Correct answer. Option B. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Explanation. The Ministry of Health designated snakebite cases and deaths as a notifiable disease to improve monitoring and response. Notifiable diseases are legally required to be reported to authorities for better surveillance and outbreak prevention. States are responsible for implementing and notifying such diseases. The National Action Plan for Snakebite Envenoming aims to reduce snakebite deaths and disabilities by 50% by 2030. Other notifiable diseases include AIDS, hepatitis, and dengue. Whose international health regulations mandate reporting certain diseases to WHO for global health monitoring? Question number 4. What kind of disease is Handigodu that was recently seen in news? Option A. Cardiovascular disease. Option B. Rare disease. Option C. Respiratory disease. Option D. Bone and joint disease. Correct answer. Option D. Bone and joint disease. Explanation. Karnataka Health Minister Dinesh Gundu Rao has directed officials to study Handigodu disease scientifically. Handigodu disease is a rare osteoarthritic disorder, bone and joint disease, found in Shimoga and Chikmagalur districts. It is an inherited degenerative bone and joint disease, first noticed in Handigodu village. Symptoms include severe joint and hip pain, deformation, dwarfism, and difficulty walking. The disease begins in preadolescence and can severely affect mobility. Over 1,000 people have died from the disease since its discovery in 1975. It is similar to Emersilini joint disease in South Africa. Question number 5. High Energy Stereoscopic System Observatory, which was seen in the news, is located in which country? Option A. Namibia. Option B. Kenya. Option C. Algeria. Option D. Djibouti. Correct answer. Option A. Namibia. Explanation. Scientists at the High Energy Stereoscopic System Observatory in Namibia detected cosmic rays with record energy levels of 40 TeV. High Energy Stereoscopic System is an array of Cherenkov telescopes in Namibia's Khomas Highlands, operational since 2003. It observes gamma rays, the most energetic light, produced by violent cosmic events. Located in the southern hemisphere, it focuses on sources in the Milky Way and distant galaxies. HES indirectly detects gamma rays via air-molecule interactions as they cannot penetrate Earth's atmosphere. Its research includes dark matter and fundamental physics, involving 260 scientists from 40 institutions across 13 countries.